Hi guys, how are you? And welcome to the fifth video of Learn WordPress with Sajjad Programming. In this video, we are going to change and customize our appearance of our website. Let's go to our website, localhost slash my site slash wp-admin. Click on there, write your user ID and password there, and on appearance tab, you can select on customize. When you click on customize, it will be redirect to show you website. Here you can set your title of the website. You can write my first website, and you can use your change your tagline, learn WordPress with Sajjad Programming. Click on this back button. You can change your background color, like if you want to use sort of this color, you can go ahead and just click drag and drop this circle here, click on this. If you want to change add an image to your background, you can just click on this select image and media library. If you have already uploaded some image, it will be shown in media library. If you want to upload a new video, you can just click a new image, you can click on upload file and just drag and drop the file. It will be uploaded to your website. Click on back. Here you can change the menu, drop down menus of your website. In the widget section, you can add or remove widget that is shown in your page or post. There are two widgets right now, that is recent post and recent comments. You can remove it from here, and if you want to add some widget, you can click on here and add. You can some meta, if you want to add, just click on done, it will be added to your site. There is a home page setting. If you want to show your latest post in here, you can click on here. If you want to select your any static page, you can click on here and you can select your home page from here, my first page or the sample page. For now I will select your latest post. Click on back. Expert settings, you can use a summary or full text or whatever you want to show in your site. Click on back. If you want to add some additional CSS in your website, you can add in here. Once you have done the changes, you want to save it on your website, you have to click on this publish button. Just click on it and it will be uploaded to your site. If you want to show is it updated on your website or not, you can just visit your site and your all the settings has been changed and has been updated in your website. If you want to search how your website will be look on tablet, you can click on here. If you want to show in your how it will be look on your mobile phone, you can click in here, and as you can see that your screen size has been reduced to mobile phone. So I hope you have enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.